official receipt number 2171 pertaining to payment received from Renato Corona in the amount of 50,000 pesos, Your Honor. This is dated
At this juncture of the proceedings, Your Honor, we would like to object because it's the lawyer practically testifying, not the witness.
Your Honor, please, with due respect, Your Honor, this humble representation is making only a description of what are contained in the document.
Precisely.
It does not in any way vary, much less alter the contents thereof, Your Honor, please.
I'm
Just
not-
for expediency, Your Honor.
Your Honor, please.
Let the description remain.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anyway, you can cross, Mr. Counselor.
The official receipt 2171, Your Honor, is dated 5/10/97 pertaining to a payment by Renato Corona in the amount of 50,000 pesos. By the way, Your Honor, please, for the record, the top cover which the statement of account has been pre-marked in evidence as Exhibit LLL for the prosecution, and that the official receipt OR number 2171 was pre-marked as Exhibit quadruple L-1. Likewise, appearing as attachment thereto, Your Honor, is official receipt number 2216 with the date 5/15/97 pertaining to payment received from Renato Corona in the amount of 50,000 pesos. This has been pre-marked as Exhibit quadruple L-1, likewise, Your Honor. Also as attachment is official receipt number 1792 dated July 21, 1997 pertaining to the receipt from Renato Corona of the amount of 591,760 pesos. This has been pre-marked as Exhibit quadruple L-2 for the prosecution.
What is that last receipt for?
This is pertaining to the payment for the account stated in this statement of account, Your Honor, involving the payment of a contract price of 3,208,800 for the acquisition of condominium unit number 21D with one parking lot, Your Honor, please.
Proceed.
Further, Your Honor, for the record, likewise attached is a copy of the official receipt number 1800 dated July 31, 1997 pertaining to the receipt from Renato Corona of the amount of 285,240 pesos, which has been pre-marked as Exhibit quadruple L quadruple L-6, Your Honor. Further, Your Honor, as attachment, quadruple L-6. There is also this official receipt number 3192 dated January 8, 1998 pertaining to the receipt from Renato Corona of the sum of 591,760, which receipt has been pre-marked as quadruple L-3, Your Honor. Also, Your Honor, attached to this statement of account is official receipt number 31 91, dated January 8, 1998, pertaining to the receipt from Renato Corona of the sum of 285,240. And the same has been pre-marked as Exhibit quadruple L-7 for the prosecution.
What is that payment for?
All these payments, Your Honor, please, as covered by these official receipts, pertain to the payment of the purchase price for the acquisition of Unit 21D with one parking lot at One Burgundy Plaza. Your
Those were monthly payments or quarterly payments or annual payments?
There is no such indicated manner of payment, Your Honor, please, but this would show that there were varying amounts paid.
Are
But,
these installment payments?
somehow, yes, Your Honor, please.
Huh?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, but they are not in equal installment payments, Your Honor, as borne by these receipts, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead.
And likewise, Your Honor, attached thereto is official receipt number 4092, dated 5/15/1998, pertaining to the receipt from Renato Corona of the amount of 438,500 pesos. And this has been pre-marked as Exhibit quadruple L-5 for the prosecution, Your Honor. And as last attachment to this statement of account, Your Honor, is official receipt number 4591, dated July 31, 1998, pertaining to receipt from Francis R. Corona of the amount of 438,500 pesos, Your Honor. And this official receipt, Your Honor, has been pre-marked in evidence as quadruple L-4. May we just like to...
Francis R. Corona, huh?
yes, Your Honor.
Not Renato C. Corona.
No, Your Honor, please.
All right.
May we just request from the good counsel for the defense, Your Honor, to stipulate for the record that the receipts mentioned are duplicate original receipts, Your Honor, and that the pre-marked photocopies thereof, Your Honor, are faithful reproduction of said duplicate original receipts, Your Honor.
Mark them. What's the pleasure of the defense?
Another buyer's ledger, sir, for payment for the respective parking slot.
Meron bang questions? Hindi. Meron bang question?
No, Your Honor. There is a pending request, Your Honor, please, from the good distinguished counsel for the defense for stipulation, Your Honor.
All right. We will admit, Your Honor, that the documents identified by the witness now, they are genuine reproductions of their alleged original, Your Honor.
All right.
Because, but we may make of record, Your Honor, that at the bottom page, at the bottom of exhibit, ano to, L? Quadruple L, Your Honor, which carries the statement certified correct by Carmencita Kapangyarihan, no signature, Your Honor, and then noted by Cymbalin L. Galero, account officer, no signature also.
All right, proceed.
Then the notation stating certified true copy bearing a signature is eligible, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Your Honor, please, there was likewise a request for confirmation from the good counsel for the defense. If the attached official receipts earlier mentioned, Your Honor, and described are indeed duplicate original copies, Your Honor? May we request from the good counsel to stipulate on that, Your Honor?
They
please?
appear to be copies, Your Honor, but whether they are duplicate original, that we cannot admit, Your Honor.
All
It's a
right.
matter of proof.
Yeah. Well, Your Honor, please, you would just like to request then, Your Honor,
In that case, you have to apply the rules in applicable to secondary evidence.
Your Honor, we believe, Your Honor, please, that by mere examination of the document, Your Honor, it's a duplicate original because it is just an
okay.
impression of one single stroke, Your Honor, and that is pursuant to the rules still considered duplicate original and given full faith and value as that which is the original copy, Your Honor.
We'll take that up at the proper time when it's offered.
Thank you, Your Honor. And for that reason, Your Honor, given the fact that the good and distinguished counsel for the defense would not want to stipulate on that matter, Your Honor, instead of requesting that the faithful reproduction thereof be marked and as exhibit, Your Honor, if the witness will be willing to have the duplicate original itself as to be marked as evidence, Your Honor, then may we request said duplicate original to be marked respectively as exhibit for the prosecution, Your Honor.
Counsel for the defense?
We have yet to see, Your Honor, the document. The witness is being asked whether he has copies of the duplicate, alleged copies of the duplicate originals, Your Honor. So we are sorry, as of today, as of this moment, we cannot as yet make any comment, Your Honor. Ayun ba? Ito na.
Your Honor, please, for the record, Your Honor, the duplicate original adverted to, Your Honor, please, is now in the hands of the counsel for the defense, Your Honor.
Saan? We are sorry, Your Honor, that based on an ocular examination of this document, Your Honor, it merely states official receipt. There is no indication therein whether it is original, duplicate, of what, Your Honor.
Your Honor, please, given that
You do not
manifestation.
accept the original character of the document.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't get the statement.
I think this is the duplicate original, isn't it?
No, Your Honor, they're asking us to stipulate or to admit, Your Honor. That's why I said I'm
So
sorry
stipulate
Yeah, that
and
they are-
admit what?
that they are allegedly duplicate originals.
Precisely.
Precisely.
So, if you do not say that you can admit it as a duplicate original, then let the counsel
They have to
take the
prove it
proper
by their
remedies.
evidence, Your Honor.
May we therefore request for the record, Your Honor, please, that the said duplicate original copies of the official receipts be now turned over to the custody of the Honorable Clerk of Court for the eventual appreciation by the members of this Honorable Impeachment Court when the time comes that said documents be formally offered in evidence, Your Honor.
for the prosecution.
Yes, Your Honor, please, for the prosecution. Thank you, Your Honor.
Approved.
May I proceed, Your Honor? Mr. Witness, you were earlier mentioning about buyer's ledger. Would you kindly present the same to the Honorable Impeachment Court?
I wear the buyer's ledger for the parking slot mentioned.
Your Honor, please, may we manifest for the record that the witness has handed to this counsel one-page document with the caption Burgundy Realty Corporation and entries indicating the name Renato Corona pertaining to unit UG Sharp A with an indicated contract price of 450,000, and also indicated herein are the particulars of amortization payments, each in the equal amount of 15,000 pesos starting from 31 July 2001 and up to 30 June 2003 for a total amount of 450,000 pesos, Your Honor. And as attached there to Your Honor are likewise duplicate original copies of the following official receipts. Official receipt number 10927 dated September 5, 2001, indicating